What's going on, guys? I'm doing something that might kill me. I'm tasting. You probably can't read it. Toxic waste. And the sourest I've ever tasted out of 8 some. I'm gonna have the most sour flavours. Red's not there. Because I'm gonna get out of the reds. Actually, don't know. Can you open it? Yeah, out of the way, so red's nice. There's only pink and one most sour lemon. Okay, I'm not tasting green or the pink, so we'll do these. Okay? So I'm just gonna pause it and then I'll get back to the video. Well, I've opened them. And both of them are not lemon. There's only one lemon, as you can see. One's an apple, and I don't know which one's which. And one's a pink. So I might die on camera today. Oh. Oh God. It tastes like a dead rat. It's just the sourness, because if I still eat a second juice, I burnt my tongue. I better be getting YouTube for this. Oh my God, please subscribe. Please subscribe and like, and please subscribe. I almost died. Thank you for watching.